Hey creators, YouTube just dropped 3 massive updates that could change everything for you, especially if you're just getting started or looking to grow faster. From an easier AdSense verification process to new monetization rules and a powerful AI dubbing tool to reach global audiences, this is big. Stick around because you definitely don't want to miss this. Update 1. New AdSense Online Identity Verify. Let's kick off with the one that had me personally excited. You no longer have to wait weeks or months for your Google AdSense PIN to arrive by mail. Yes, YouTube and Google have introduced a new online identity verification system. Instead of waiting endlessly, you can now verify your account in less than 10 minutes using a valid government-issued ID. No more tears, no more delays. I've tested it myself and even helped one of my students get verified just 3 days ago. Once you hit the $10 AdSense threshold, you'll receive an email prompting you to verify your identity. You now have 2 options. Online verification. Upload your ID, do a quick facial scan, and boom, you're done in minutes. Traditional PIN's still available, but it can take 3 to 8 weeks depending on your location. Let's be real. If you don't like stress, option 1 is your best friend. Just make sure the name on your AdSense account matches your ID. That's critical to avoid verification issues. Update 2. Easier monetization requirements. Next up, the one most new creators are celebrating. YouTube has officially lowered the barrier to monetization. Now you only need 500 subscribers, 3,000 public watch hours. That's right, no more waiting to hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours. With just 500 subs and 3,000 hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Host, smiling. But here's the catch. You won't earn from ads until you hit the full 4,000 watch hours. Still, you'll unlock features like channel memberships, super chats during live streams, gifts on shorts, your voice in their native language with just a click, YouTube Studio, subtitles, add language, audio track. To activate it, head over to your YouTube Studio desktop. Go to Subtitles, Add Language, and if the AI dubbing option is available, tick the audio track box. This means your content can now go global, reaching audiences far beyond your primary language. To recap, no more AdSense PIN delays, monetize faster with just 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours, auto dubbing to reach international audiences. These updates aren't just cool, they're powerful tools to help you grow faster and smarter on YouTube. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tutorials, and real tips to grow your channel. Drop a comment if you've tried any of these new features. I'd love to hear your experience.